is Monica, and this is my story. Well, just like many other girls at the same age, I always start my day by looking at myself in the mirror for a minute or even an hour in some day. I try all makeup method to cover my face because it's never look good enough for me. But no matter how much I try, it never satisfied me. Even on social media, I'm too afraid to post a picture of myself because I always expect that people will mock me for the way I look.
Said this to me.
Hi, the previous video is a reminder that appearance does not play a significant role in your life. Beauty is just a temporary trait that everyone has it, and it will fade away at a certain age. Many people think that appearance represents their inner personality, but it actually not. In fact, in the society, the person who judge you the most is you. And also, in this generation, people just mind and lead their own business. So, which means that your appearance does not represent who you are, but the way that you treat others, also the way that you interact with others,